Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We've leveled up the pull-ups to muscle-ups and the squats to pistol squats. Next thing on the list is dip progressions. Let's do some research. Okay, so I am able to do parallel bar dips pretty easily at 3 times 8. Progression goes into rings or handstand. I don't want to buy any rings, so we are going to try the handstand starting with the pike. Let's go warm up and see how many of those we can do. I still can't do too many muscle ups and pistol squats, but I do feel like I'm getting stronger every week, but that is not this video. So let's try the pike, and that feels pretty easy. So we are moving up directly to box, and that's, oh yeah, that's definitely a little bit harder. I'm gonna make sure I could do 3 sets of 8 reps, and we'll see how quickly we progress. I've been pleasantly surprised with how quickly my pull-ups and squats have been progressing. And now with the pike push-ups to wall-assisted handstand push-ups, that was definitely not easy, but I am able to start incorporating that 3 times a week into my Reddit recommended routine for body weight fitness. I think the road from wall-assisted to freestanding handstand push-ups is going to be a long journey. So the next video is to make how to actually do a handstand, because I don't think I'm capable of, yeah, so that will be the next video, but for now, 207 done.